Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tool Talk Pro. Today we're talking about a tool that's been shaping wood, stone, and metal for thousands of years, the chisel.
It's simple, it's sharp, and it doesn't need Wi-Fi. What more could you want from a tool?
We'll start with what a chisel actually does, how to use it right, and then we'll dig into its surprising history, from ancient times all the way to today's workshops. A chisel is a hand tool with a sharp cutting edge on one end and a handle on the other. It's used to carve, cut, and shape materials like wood, stone, or metal. There are different types of chisels: wood chisels, cold chisels for metal, masonry chisels for stone, and more.
To use it, you hold the chisel at an angle and either push it by hand or strike it with a mallet, kind of like encouraging your material to cooperate. And if it doesn't listen, well, we have bigger hammers.
It's a tool of detail, precision, and sometimes a little frustration. Let's be honest, if you've ever chipped off too much, you know the pain.
I still have nightmares about that one cabinet door. Chisels go back as far as the Stone Age. Some of the earliest chisels were made of flint or obsidian, used to carve wood, bone, and even other stone.
The concept is simple but powerful. Shape the world by removing what you don't need.
As metalworking developed, chisels evolved too. Bronze chisels appeared in ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, later followed by iron and steel chisels.
There's no single person credited with inventing the chisel. It was developed independently by many cultures around the world.
From Egyptian stone carvers to Roman sculptors and Chinese craftsmen, each civilization had their own version, refined to suit the materials they worked with. We'd credit them if we could, but let's be honest, it's hard to trademark a rock.
You could say the chisel is one of humanity's first creative tools. As metalworking improved, so did chisels. Bronze in ancient Egypt, iron in Rome, steel during the Middle Ages.
And during the Industrial Revolution, chisels started being mass-produced. Because why make one when you can make 500?
Then came better handles, sharper blades, and eventually the ergonomic grip. Perfect for working hard without cramping your style or your wrist.
Today, we even have chisels powered by air, electricity, or caffeine. Okay, maybe not caffeine, but we run on caffeine when we're using them.
But even now, the basic principle hasn't changed. It's still about shaping by removing. Despite all the new machines and power tools, chisels are still a workshop essential.
Why? Because they give you control, feel, and detail that machines just can't replicate, especially in woodworking and fine finishing.
Whether you're carving furniture, restoring stonework, or just trimming joints, the chisel is still doing what it's done for thousands of years, and doing it well.
It's just you, the tool, and the material. No batteries, no noise, just the sweet, satisfying sound of precision.
Unless you miss and hit your thumb, then it's not so sweet.
That's the story of the chisel, one of the oldest tools still in use today.
And if you're using one, just remember, sharp is good, slipping is bad.
Got a favorite chisel? Or maybe a chisel disaster story? Drop it in the comments. We're here for the wins and the fails.
And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We've got more tool history and how to coming your way.
Check the link in the description if you want to know what tools we use.
Thanks for watching, and keep your edge sharp.